Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to DIY butterfly look. So guys, I'll be making use of two darling products. The darling passion twist, which looks like this, and the darling natural twist, also known as Kinky. And this is what it looks like basically. And I already have my hair moisturized, prepped, detangled, and ready for this. So let's get started. You really should take your time to make very clean and precise parts, because this is going to determine how beautiful your braids turn out. Okay, making single braids, which I don't braid all the way down. I twist at some point down to the end, and as you can see, the roots of those braids are not tight at all, because I'll be crocheting the hair there, so it doesn't have to be tight. Okay, I'm trying to create a middle part so I can work in sections. Okay guys, I finished the braids off camera and I'm ready to start the butterfly locks. Yeah, and this is what the kinky extension looks like. Yeah, and this is what a strand looks like. It's actually very long. I had to cut it into two to suit the look I was going for. Always make sure the hook is closed like this before you pass it under your hair. Once the hook is out, open it and place the hair extension inside it, and go ahead and pull it out gently. You have to be very gentle so you don't pull out your hair. Pull out the extension and create two even strands like this, and grab one strand of the passion twist and grip firmly at the roots and start wrapping. Yeah, I'm going to see me do a thumb action. Yeah, like insert my thumb between the passion twist. Yes, that's what gives it the butterfly look, you know. Keep wrapping to desired length. And don't forget the thumb action while wrapping. I'm going to continue the process, and I'll show you guys the whole process in full once I get to the front of my hair. Okay. I hope you guys can see the thumb action going on at the moment. Guys, it's already very late at night and sis is tired. This is how far I could go today, and by tomorrow we'll finish this up, hopefully. So, guys, see ya tomorrow. Bye. Guys, this is the second day and it's already dark. I did most of it off camera. Always make sure the hook is closed before you pass it through your hair. And yeah, just watch and you're going to see me do everything. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please hit that subscribe button below. Like this video, share this video, and leave me some comments in the comment section. Thank you. Also, let me know if you're going to be trying out this butterfly logs DIY in the comment section. Okay, you have to watch me closely to grab what I'm doing. I'm just wrapping it around and doing the thumb action, as you can see. Yeah, I'll keep doing that so I get to the end. Once I get to the end, I insert my index finger like so and kind of create a loop and continue wrapping upwards till the strand or hair extension is finished, and I seal it in by rubbing together. Watch very closely and you get a hold of everything I'm doing. This is a very detailed video, and yeah. Guys, it's already midnight and I'm so tired. You can say this hair took me 3 days, like 3 good days, and I think it's worth the time and energy I put in. I'm very much impressed with the results. I'm going to bed. I'll be styling this hair tomorrow. I added a few hair accessories. Guys, I'm so excited as you can see, and I'm ready to rock my butterfly locks slash the stress lock out. Thank you so much for sticking with me, and I'll see you guys in my next